What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be going over the perfect welcome series flow for your e-commerce brand. I'm going to give you guys the exact insights onto what the messaging is, kind of put this together in a little template for you guys. You can just kind of pause the video and basically copy them. In the last 30 days, guys, the welcome series for this brand, you can see here, generated over $127,000. In the last 7 days, the welcome series generated nearly $30,000 in revenue. So let's go ahead and dive in and break this down. Before we do, if you could drop a like, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Make sure that these videos get pushed to the right people. And as always, if you're interested in working with my team, whether it's for paid ads, email and SMS, conversion rate optimization, or user-generated content for your brand, link in the description. But let's open this welcome series, guys. So before we dive into each email, what I want you to understand here is this triggers, right, when someone actually obviously opts in to the pop-up on the website. And then we have basically a conditional split utilizing Black Crow. We've just kind of been adding this into the background, but essentially there's a 4 email sequence in our welcome series. So we have a welcome to the family email that gets sent out. 2 days later, we have a 5-star review email that gets out. Then the 3rd email is an offer, and the 4th email is the brand's story and mission. So let's go ahead and break this down, and you can kind of see the timeline that these emails are broken down. This really isn't going to be a long video, guys, because we're just going to be looking over one specific flow, and this is the welcome series. So essentially, as I said, the first email is sent out day 1, we wait 2 days. Email 2, we wait 3 days. Email 3, we wait an additional 3 days, and email 4 is sent. And then they're usually segmented off into a different audience based off of the actions that they're taking here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Over the last, I think this is showing analytics for the last 7 days, not 100% sure. Maybe it's total. Doesn't actually say here, but regardless, you can see the open rate on this email is 54%, click rate is 5%, and the placed order is 2.7%. And so if I actually pop up the actual email here, guys, here's what it looks like. For the sake of the video, guys, I'm just going to be having the brand logos blurred out here, but essentially, welcome to the family, get 35% off your first order. And then it just goes through with a very simple welcome series email, basically breaking down the product, and then a loyalty program explanation, right? Very simple, right to the point. Here's at 35% off. Here's our products. Number 2, so we can see the KPIs here, a little bit lower, right? 46% open rate, but the click-through rate and the order rate has dropped down quite tremendously. Most people are ordering through the first email. As we preview this, same thing, guys, right? So this is where we're just building more social proof, right? Thousands of 5-star reviews. See why we've been named the softest blanket on the internet. And then basically just a ton of reviews here, right? Some social proof. And again, a simple call to action for them to go to the website, or a call to action to sign up for the loyalty program. Number 3, open this up. A little bit of a higher click-through rate. Again, we're following up with these people consistently. Order rate is still a little bit low, but the open rate is maintaining over 45%. We preview this email, right? Again, more social proof. Hey, this is why we're the softest blanket. And don't forget, here's your 35% off code. It expires soon. Here's the link. And then we're just showcasing more products and some of our USPs, right? Why is the brand different? And then finally, we have our inside, our story, and our mission here, guys. So click-through rate's a little bit higher. Order rate's a little bit low. Again, we're maintaining that 45% open rate. As we open this up, you can see here, again, this is just why the brand has been started. And the main copy here is, again, get to know the heart behind the brand. Reminder, your 35% off code expires in 48 hours. And then basically just a little intro onto the brand. And also, if you actually want to read the full story to the brand, we're leaving the call to action, which leads them to the FAQ page on the website, right? So I want you guys to basically copy this flow and implement it into your website, and comment down below how this performs. But this is essentially, guys, you don't need to overthink it. This is the perfect welcome series. Depending on your brand and how much education is required with your product, you may want to add a couple more touch points. But the main things, as a reminder here, guys, is that we're not just stopping sending emails to these people after the welcome series, right? And then they're being segmented based off of different actions that they've taken into different other groups, so we can email them further. But this is just the welcome series. It's about a 4 email sequence, and it's really around the discount offer and trying to get them to buy, as well as adding social proof and educating them a little bit more on the brand story. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.